My name's Jack Shields. I run a business called EPC 247. It deals with energy efficiency of homes. I also do floor plans and inventories. My ultimate goal is to create a whole house package so that landlords don't have to do anything, they just literally get to me. Not so much property management side, but all these surveys, all the bits and pieces really that kind of gets, well, what they would assess as boring. But it's my business, so that's the goal: make landlords' lives easier. Yeah, but as far as the Ignition program goes, great pieces of advice, great sort of way of seeing other businesses and give you that little bit of motivation to think, other people have done it, why can't I do it? I think as a young person, it's quite easy to say that when you're first starting business, it's a bit daunting of where's this going to go. But definitely from my experience, it's only got better and better. Things like this are great to, even just to get away from the day-to-day of like you're only in your own head. My business relies a lot on just me, really. I don't have many people to talk to in terms of, I don't have a partner or I don't have sort of anybody in business knowledge. So this program is great to just meet other people that are doing the same thing I'm doing. I'd really recommend getting on the Ignition program for anybody who's thinking that they want to, at any point. I mean, in the room I've met a lot of people that have from so many different starts, to not having a business all the way up to already got it running and have been doing for 6 months and they've got quite a lot of clients coming in. Great way to bounce back, but yeah, I'd bounce back ideas and things like that, so yeah, recommend it to anybody.